make $10K in 60 days to 360 days. Is it possible? Yes. 2 things needed. Has anyone done it? Yes. Have I done it? 60 days is too much. Has a student done it? Yes. Did she do 60 days? Yes. Other students have also done between 60 and 360 days. So this is what she did. So what she did was leverage on my product, 1,200K. She gets 30%. So what's the 30% of 1,200? So that gives us $360. All she had to do, she needed only to make 10K. She needed to have 10K divided by 360. So what do we have? 10,000 divided by 360 gives us what? That is 27 people. So for her to make 10K, she needs 27 human beings in a world that has 8 billion people. Therefore, it is possible if she has the right information on how to get this done, starting from product, strategy, technique, and delivery. One of the reasons why people don't do this, so if she wants to do it in 60 days, all she has to do, which she did, was that she got 27 people in 60 days, less than 1 person. Once you understand the power of the 10%, then this becomes done. The only reason somebody is doing this and you cannot do this because there is a strategy. Wealth creation comes with a strategy. And that is why you should think on how to change your finances by changing your strategy. Find out how she did it. Click the video on the link below and hear the testimonial. Not just 1, not just 2. This is doable. So it means that even if you are in 0, you can move from 0 to $10K in 60 days, or worst case scenario, 360 days. One of the things I ensure that for you to be my mentee, these 360 days is a no-do because it's too much. How can you be spending a whole year just to make $10,000? So these are some of the secrets that they all go through and they all have the same testimony. So let's get this done. Are you ready? If you're ready, let's go.